Are you eager to learn how to make money on YouTube? Well, you've landed in the perfect place. This video is your ultimate guide, breaking down everything you need to know, including all the latest tips and tricks to teach you how to make massive amounts of money through YouTube's advertising partnership program. In today's fast-paced online world, knowing the ins and outs of YouTube can be a game changer. Whether you're a pro looking to stay updated or a newbie ready to dive in, we've got you covered. But hold on, this isn't just any old and outdated tutorial. This is your key to financial success and freedom. Imagine being able to work from home, doing what you love, and making serious cash passively. Sounds good? Well, that's exactly what we're here to help you achieve. Hello, and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. The very first rule of making money on YouTube is surprisingly simple. You don't need to wait for fame to start cashing in. Even with 0 views and 0 subscribers, you can still make money if you've got something to sell. Yep, you heard that right. You're allowed to include links in your videos to promote products and services you sell outside of YouTube. Of course, there's a catch. You've got to play by YouTube's rules and guidelines. Now, I get it. Not everyone's in a position to sell products right off the bat. So, if you're like most of us and want to know how to make money from running ads on your videos, there's one path to follow. Join the YouTube Partner Program. All right, let's break it down in an easy-to-understand manner. So, for the YouTube Partner Program, there are basically 2 levels you've got to hit. First up, you'll need at least 500 subscribers. Get your squad together and have them subscribe to your channel. Next, you gotta clock in 3,000 watch hours for your channel over 1 year. Now, if that sounds a bit techie, don't worry. We'll explain it in a second. Or if you're more into YouTube Shorts, you can aim for 3 million views over 90 days. All you have to do is make sure you meet these requirements, depending on what kind of videos you are creating. But don't stress. Once you hit them, you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program and unlock some cool features. First, there's the basic level. This gets you monetized with your subscribers like super chats, super thanks, and channel memberships. It's basically money straight from your audience, which is awesome. But here's the catch. This level doesn't include ad money from your videos. For that, you need to level up. To start running ads, you'll need to reach a certain level, for which you will need to have 1,000 viewers subscribe to your channel, and you will need to acquire 4,000 watch hours within a 1-year period. Don't worry, we'll explain more about these requirements. Or if you're into YouTube Shorts, aim for a ton of views over 90 days. Once you hit these goals, whether through video watch time or short views, your content can start making ad money. YouTube has this thing called the YouTube Partner Program, which is basically how you start making money from your videos. Now, the cool thing is that YouTube makes it easy for you to know when you can apply for this program. Do you know that YouTube Studio app? Well, if you're not near a computer, no worries. You can find all the same info there too. Just click on Earn from YouTube Studio and keep an eye out for when they say you're ready to apply for monetization. But wait, there's more. Once you're in the YouTube Studio app, head over to the settings, then click on Channel. And finally, look for the tab that says Feature Eligibility. In there, you'll find something called Advanced Features. Make sure you turn that on before you can start making money. Oh, and before I forget, you'll need to verify your account first. Just connect your account with your phone number, and you're good to go. In order for your channel to become monetized, you have to make sure your channel is following all of the YouTube guidelines and rules. That means no community strikes. Basically, just make sure you're following YouTube's guidelines, and you'll be all set to start earning some cash. Cool, right? All right, let's talk about what happens after you've applied for the YouTube Partner Program. Once you apply, YouTube says it can take up to a month for you to be accepted. But usually it's quicker, often less than a week. First things first, you gotta agree to the terms of service for the program. It sounds easy, right? But I'd suggest giving it a read-through, and if you're under 18, make sure to get the okay from a parent or guardian. Next, you'll need to connect an AdSense account to your YouTube channel. AdSense is how you get paid, so it's pretty important. You can either create a new account or link an existing one. The steps are pretty straightforward and they guide you through the process once you are monetized. Now, let's chat about the waiting part. YouTube needs some time to check out your channel to make sure everything is on the up and up. They've got real people looking at it, so the review process is lengthy. But here's the deal. Your channel has to meet some rules to start making money. So it's smart to know about the community guidelines and advertiser-friendly rules to make sure you're following them. If everything checks out, you'll get an email welcoming you to the program. But sometimes channels don't make the cut for various reasons. YouTube will usually let you know the reasons why your channel is not accepted if they find an issue with it. When it comes to making money directly from YouTube, they take a bit of what you earn. It's their way of covering costs, like keeping the platform running and giving perks to their workers. Let's break it down with an example. Say someone gives you $1 through Super Thanks. You get to keep 70 cents and YouTube takes 30 cents. So it's like a 70-30 split. But here's the thing. The percentage they take can change depending on how you make the money. Like, if you're doing channel memberships, it's a bit different. Now, on to ad money. Once you meet the rules for ads, you can turn them on for your videos. You'll also need to say your content fits with what advertisers like. YouTube's made it easier over time. You have more say in where ads go in your videos. You can choose if you want ads and where to put them. Although YouTube takes discretion ultimately on where it places the ads. Once you get accepted, the good news is that all of your old videos can start making money, even if they're old. Now, about YouTube's share for video ads, they take a bigger piece. So keep that in mind when you're making those YouTube bucks. This time, you'll get 55% of what you earn, and YouTube keeps 45%. It might sound like a lot, but compared to other places, it's not too shabby. But here's the thing to really pay attention to. CPM. CPM is the cost per 1,000 impressions, and it's what advertisers pay for every 1,000 views on your video. And here's the kicker. It's calculated before YouTube takes its cut. CPM can vary a lot depending on factors like your video's topic, where your viewers are from, their age, gender, and even the time of year. Also, some videos tend to pay better than others. For example, finance videos tend to have a higher CPM than gaming videos. That's just how the cookie crumbles. But here's the important part. CPM doesn't show you the money you're actually making on your channel. For that, you'll want to look at something called RPM. RPM factors in YouTube's cut and includes any earnings from things like Super Thanks. But even RPM can be a bit tricky to interpret given all the calculations it goes through. So, to get a clear picture of your earnings, head over to the revenue screen in the analytics section of YouTube Studio. The estimated revenue you see there is pretty much what you'll be paid. Honestly, it's not the most exciting topic to discuss when it comes to earnings. Short answer, it's just not as lucrative as regular videos. To put it simply, you're not going to be rolling in dough from ad revenue alone. In fact, if you get 10 million views on YouTube Shorts, you might be lucky to earn around $11,000. Yeah, it's not exactly a goldmine, but it can add up if you pair that with long-form video ad revenue. But let's move on from the money talk and get back to the good stuff. Now, here's a question I often hear. If I fall below the requirements for the YouTube Partner Program, will I lose monetization? YouTube says no, not automatically. But if your channel goes inactive for too long and you have no videos or community posts in the last 6 months, YouTube might give you the boot. Oh, and one perk for joining the YouTube Partner Program is access to online chat support. It's quick and responsive, though not always super helpful. Thanks for sticking around to learn all about making money on YouTube. Now that you know how YouTube ad revenue works, it's time to put it into action. Don't forget to check out our other videos. Just go to our channel, click on over and dive in. Until next time, keep creating, keep hustling, and I'll catch you in the next video.